That's my brake chair. But this is what it looks like. Completely gutted. Not real sure I understand the paint job here. Not sure at all. A couple of things we've noticed is this, there's some burn marks here, which is kind of odd. And then there's burn marks here. So I'm not sure where those are from. These could have been from the gas refrigerator, but if that was it, then that's where I don't know. I really don't know what that is from either, but the thing that I got to pull this wire in, and that means I've got to separate this bottom metal all the way around, at least from here back and around to here to the door. Oh man, I got electric over here too. What the problem is this electric is messed up, and this right here is concerning to me a lot, because that wire, as you can see right here, I don't know if you really can't see it that well, but the wire right here was being cut on that aluminum, and the same up here. It was almost cut all the way through on the aluminum there, but this is all black. Like, this got hot, and I just, and that comes up to this fan here. So this is coming out completely. There's 3 hornet nests, one there, one there, and one there. Hornet nests have been everywhere. Brown recluse have been everywhere. Oh, I just noticed this. That's a bathroom. I don't know if you can hardly see that, but that's a bathroom fixture. I gotta figure out what to do. This is cast iron that goes through the floor, and that was to the drains. So that's coming out. I'm gonna redo all of this, gas lines, everything. Somebody said, well, why don't you just reuse the gas lines? And there's no way on earth I'm gonna reuse any gas lines. That's about as dangerous as you get. That's where the shower was, where you see a hole in the floor right there, and that's where the toilet was back there, where you see a flange. That's all that's going to get changed. That whole thing's coming out. The bathroom, I think we decided the toilet's going to go here, and shower here with a wall and the door here, and then the bed is going to go here and here, and there'll be a thing that you can join them in the middle if you want. And then I don't like that bed arrangement, but that's the only one that's going to work in here, because Amy's knees and hip is so bad she can't keep crawling over me, even though I think that's all right. But then the kitchen is still going to go over here, but it's going to be designed a little different. What I'm going to have to do is, you can see all these ribs that go around here, one here, and another one there, and one back here. Which this one was kind of interesting to me, because that's in front of the the window was split around that. Don't know if that was original or not. Kind of hard for me to believe that it was, but anyway. So all this trim has to come out, and then we're gonna just strip all this paint, and that's going to be a long process. Another thing that I found this vent here. You know, I thought it was missing this. I was trying to figure out what to do with it, and it's one of these. And when we get this all up and running, I'll show you. But I found the other one that belongs over here, so I'm going to fix that. I'm going to make this work all over again. See, these screws right here are not in there. That's all going to be repaired. I'm going to take this completely out, because this is original. And the thing it is, that's plastic. I think it was a like a skylight kind of thing. I'm not sure, because it's plastic, and you can see right here in the corner you can actually see through. So they just painted it. I don't know if that's repairable or not. We'll have to find out. Because that would be nice to have a little skylight there. And they had all kinds of stuff in there, which is kind of odd. But anyway, a bird nest still in the corner. Debating on the shelf, to take it out or not. Haven't decided. And you can see once we start stripping this down, it'll be back to nice metal, but we'll probably paint it anyway. But that's what we got going. Next, I'm going to cut the floor here and here and see what I've got underneath this. This is like the third. We can see right here, there's vinyl. So you've got a subfloor with vinyl on it. Then it had somebody put plywood on it. And that is all over here. Then on top of that plywood was a tongue and groove oak or tongue and groove something. And it was real nasty. But anyway, that's where we are. All right, I'm back at it. What I'm doing is I'm taking all the rivets out on this whole lower section here all the way around, and that means I'll have to come up here across here because this area needs to be redone. But biggest reason is to get to that floor. You can see it's pretty bad right there. So, and that's strange thing is, well, not strange, but the thing is that kind of rot is around the whole perimeter. You can see through sections there, everything, it's all just gone. So I don't have much choice, I've got to take this floor completely out. I have found nests underneath this board. I cut the center out just to see what it was like. The bad part is the center all the way down through here, you know, from here to here seems to be pretty solid, but everything on the outside edge is really bad. And this is all, I need to take care of that rust. So that's what I'm doing today. Starting to work on this to see what it's going to take. And I believe I'm going to have to lift the top off of this. So don't have much choice in that, because this wood all goes up underneath the walls. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. I removed the panel all the way up to here. I'll be taking this off here shortly, but look at some of this wiring. It's cloth wiring. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but pretty intense. And this is a breaker box. Of course, the drain for the toilet was there, but you can see behind all of this, like the wiring here, it's years of stuff, but still all that is cloth wiring, which kind of makes me nervous. But anyway. Okay, this is what it looks like. After pulling all that stuff out, let's check out the wiring. Some of the stuff I have no idea where it goes. All the interior wiring, like you see running right here, it's all cloth. So I don't know where that wire goes. Not real sure where that one goes. No idea. All the way around. It's kind of scary. This is what really kind of caught me off guard.